There are some places in this world that stop you in your tracks, and Coron is one of them. Towering limestone cliffs rising straight out of the sea, hidden lagoons carved over millions of years, and water so clear it barely feels real. In this video, we explore Coron on a private boat tour, meeting friendly local communities, swimming through unreal lagoons, relaxing on white sand beaches, and discovering why this part of Palawan is so special, all with an unforgettable local guide leading the way.
Today we're going to be doing a really exciting private boat tour to explore some of the beautiful islands here in the area. But first we have to meet our guide and pick up some of our lunch, because unfortunately we don't have lunch included in the tour, but they're going to be cooking it on the boat for us. So let's go in the market, meet our guide and see what we can get.
So guys, this is Gerald. He's going to be our guide for the entire day.
Hello there.
Camera shy, I think.
What do you want?
Oh my god, look at all this. Is this where you usually pick up meat?
Yeah, like fresh.
Wow.
Like this.
So this is literally like this morning they
This
oh my
morning.
god, there's a whole head. What? Look at this. Oh my goodness. Do you eat this whole head? Wow.
Yeah, sometimes they make like a lechon with it. Like sometimes the whole pig, or sometimes the head.
That is so crazy. I don't think I've ever seen that before.
So we have tuna here, and this is part of the same family, yeah?
Yeah. Magkano to? 160 pesos. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
In euro, that's gonna be like €3. This is the typical veggies, you know. So
Yeah,
carrots
perfect.
and cabbage, and then this is a Filipino.
Oh, pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Can you make something good out of them?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
So like,
Pumpkin.
how many? One, two.
Yeah. Maybe one of each.
Okay.
Yeah?
Perfect.
How much are they?
So this is 50 pesos each.
Oh,
so
wow,
it's
okay.
100 pesos.
Perfect.
Okay, so far we've got our fish for the day, we've got some vegetables, now we're going to get some rice, and then hopefully some spices as well, because me and Rhea love spicy food.
So this is a typical dipping sauce of the Filipino. So we make this together with the soy sauce and the lime, the sourness, you know, to balance the saltiness of the soy sauce, because our soy sauce here in the Philippines, it's too salty.
It's bad that the day's only just started and I'm already excited for lunch.
As always, Sam's excited for lunch.
Yeah, if you've seen our channel before.
It's amazing that he's literally picking out all these kind of fresh ingredients and he's just going to mix them all together to make the sauce for our lunch. I love it. The way everything in Asia is always from scratch, so you know what you're eating.
Rhea loves to cook, I love to eat, so that's why she's fascinated right now.
That's so good.
Okay, so we've picked up our rice and water, and I think that is everything, right?
Everything, we're good.
Hey, let's go.
Okay.
Just to let you know that lunch today for 2 people, including drinks, come to 500 peso. So it's definitely worth coming to a market if you want to grab your food and cook it yourself if you're in Coron. All right, let's do it.
Hello!
So if you can see all the boats surrounding us, they're going on a trip. Look at that, how many of them?
Wow, so busy. Look at this. And that is why we booked a private tour.
We have arrived at our first stop of the day, which is Barracuda Lake.
Oh wow, look at this. Oh, wow. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Barracuda Lake.
Thank you. Oh wow. Oh my god, look at that. Woo!
Okay guys, we're back onto the boat, but I just want to say that snorkeling was absolutely incredible. We pretty much had the entire place to ourselves. There was probably 5 tourists there, which compared to 5 years ago when we did a group tour, there were so many people there because it was midday. So yeah, definitely book a private tour and get there super early. We're now going to head to the next spot, which we've been told is only 5 minutes away, so we'll see you when we're there. Wow, incredible. So we're going to hike to the top, which is 160 steps, and then we're going to hike down to the actual lake. That's going to be 200 steps, and then we're going to do it back. So wish us luck. But with music like this, maybe it'll be fine.
So apparently this is the indigenous people of the area, all congregated in this hut.
Yeah, Ria is absolutely obsessed with tribes. But you notice when you walk past them as well, they're chewing the betel nut. This is something that they do in Indonesia as well. It gives them a sort of stimulant high, very addictive. And as you're sort of walking around here now, you can see it's been spat all over the floor, look.
Oh yeah. Woo-hoo, it's like Simba all over again.
So this is the mother lake. Look at this. With islands at the middle. And then this is the Barracuda Lake that we went first. And then this is the Kayangan Lake. This is the parking area, and then this is the lakes inside. So that's what I'm saying earlier, like twice bigger than Barracuda Lake.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's where we're going.
Ready for a hike?
No.
No? I ain't either, it's so hot. Woo. But the views at the end will be worth it. Come on, slow coaches.
You like to carry this?
Absolutely not. We made it!
We made it. It was really easy and we didn't complain once, did we?
No.
And it's not hot at all.
Gerald said that usually if you come later there's a massive queue all the way up here to take photos. But because we're quite early, it's alright, there's not
Very
many
lucky.
people. Oh my god, I can't breathe. We've arrived.
We have arrived.
The steps were worth it. This place is literally insane. What the hell? Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna have to go for a swim. A swim with just the head out. Woohoo! How's it feel? I'm alive! Okay, it's time to head to the next spot, and just in time as it is getting extremely busy. I don't know if you can see how many people are here right now, but when we got here this morning there was nowhere near as many. So once again, another reason to book a private tour, but still absolutely insanely beautiful. Look at this. Unreal?
Unbelievable. Love it. Don't want to leave.
No, me neither, but we're going for lunch at 10 a.m. Why not?
We're hungry.
Hello again.
Yes, we meet you again.
So we made it back down. I'm going to grab a cold drink because that was quite intense actually. Oh, look at the cat. Hello. I love that there's ginger cats everywhere I go. He's drunk. You're not drunk.
You see it? It's sleeping.
Hello. They've got a cold coconut. Thank you. You're that hot. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Right, ready for lunch?
This is the effects that Ria has on men. He just helped Ria and then just forgot about me, basically. I had all the equipment, but apparently I don't exist. The Ria effect. Alright, hungry?
Yes. And we have arrived at what I definitely think is the best beach I've ever seen in my entire life. If you imagine the Philippines and you picture it on a postcard, it's this. It's literally incredible. And we're going to be eating lunch here.
yeah guys, I can confirm this is probably the best beach we've ever been to in our 3 years of travel. And now we're going to tuck into some island food. We've got some fish, rice and vegetables, and yeah, I think we're going to tuck in.
I don't think so somehow.
I don't think so. He's got a little sandy nose.
Oh my god, he's so cute. I can't believe this feast that has been served up to us from literally just a raw fish in the market this morning, a bag of veg and rice. They've done it so well.
I don't think we've got enough rice though. we might struggle eating this. Ow! Just headbutted me. Rhea!
Sorry, but you know how excited I get when I see rice. I am now Asian
Yes.
with my addiction to rice. Oh,
We eat rice, breakfast, lunch and dinner.
and plain now. I eat it plain and I still like it. That's how you know you like it. Anyway, let's enjoy this. We have got, I think, one of the best setups for lunch we've ever had.
Never have I had this in my life. This is just so beautiful. The view right now, breathtaking. Although there's some more tourists coming.
No, it's our beach, don't
How
we?
dare they? You want some? We've all finished now. You can have some.
Wow.
He's a hungry boy. So there is a little tuck shop on the island. And they have a cool box. You got Red Horse, you got Coca-Cola. We call this Fanta, but here they call it Royal. And some San Miguel apple, which Rhea's drinking right now. And we got one for our guide as well.
Cheers.
Chin chin.
Chin chin. Chin
Salut.
Chin chin.
Salud. Chin
Oh,
chin.
yeah.
Cheers. Maganda.
Tagay.
Chin chin.
So they're making beetle nut. They call it something else here though. What do they call it here?
Mama.
Mama. They call it mama.
No, the way they pronounce it is mama.
Mama.
Mama. That's in here.
Wow.
Got the stash.
Oh, Nani bunga. Buti nagbanwa ito ba?
And a biscuit apparently.
This is so interesting because we always see in our travels people eating this beetle nut, but I've never seen it prepared. I've just seen it already in the market, ready to chew. This is insane.
Yeah,
Try to speak in English, but they said it's really hard.
Oh,
In
bless him.
English, beetle nut.
Bitter na.
Beetle nut.
This one. Yeah.
Bunga.
Bunga.
Yeah.
Bunga.
Bunga.
Pangu pa ka bunga. Kawan na kugutan
Oh,
ta.
thank you.
Nakakugut.
Oh my god, your teeth are strong.
Oh.
Yeah.
Bay.
Wow.
Makun.
Oh wow, all of it all together.
Apukan mukon.
So she took this kind of nut, beetle nut, some leaves, some powder that was made from a shell, and tobacco, and they chew it all in one.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you.
Well guys, the time has come to an end. We have to leave this beautiful island and head to Twin Lagoon, which we're really excited about because we've never been before. But I just want to say that this island is... I actually have no words. So, say goodbye, Rhea.
Bye. Oh my god, they're so cute. Literally the sweetest little kids ever. Oh, I don't want to leave, Sam. It's so beautiful.
Let's go to Twin Lagoon, come on.
No, let's just stay here all day. Oh my god, that was one of the best experiences we've had in the Philippines so far. One, because it was the most beautiful beach we've ever seen in our lives, but two, because we actually got to mingle with the local people of Coron Island, which, as you know, is so interesting to me. And it was just so nice. And I have a new sister. Where is she? Bye-bye!
Sister with another mother. Sister with a different
Oh,
mother.
they were so nice, weren't they? I really don't want to leave. Best day ever. How unreal is this? I mean, look around me. Oh my god, I really want to dive in and I can't because of my ears. I'm so sad, but look at it!
This is the perfect time. Maybe there's some
Oh my god.
already. Because after the lunch, this is the next stop.
This is the next stop, so
Yeah,
we should
so
get that drone up. Hello.
You have to jump because I can't, so you have to do it for me because I really want to and I can't. That, my friend, was shocking. Nice? Oh. Hello. Look at this guy. He's on the coolest rock. Oh my god, he's selling pearls. This is so cool. Oh wow, they're beautiful. This one. Pearls. Wow, guys, look at this. Like fresh pearls from the sea.
Yeah, from the sea.
Or from the lake.
From the sea.
From the sea. Oh, they're beautiful. Wow. So this one is 500 peso. Very beautiful. What do you think, guys? He's giving me discount to 400. Shall I get one?
Oh no. Only one?
Just one.
One.
One. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kiko. Oh, he was really sweet as well. This is literally heaven.
You heard the man.
This has got to be the best last stop I think I've ever had on a tour ever.
I agree.
It's been such a perfect day. Our tour guide is honestly one of the nicest tour guides we've ever had. We've asked him if he wants to come for a rum tonight to celebrate our last whole day in the Philippines.
And he said he loves a rum, but he ain't just going to drink one. He's going to drink the whole bar. So let's see what happens. That might be interesting.
The time has come to leave. The clouds have rolled in perfectly to end the day. But I'm very sad because this has honestly been just such an incredible last day and a perfect way to end our time in the Philippines. The whole 2 months have been just beyond amazing. I couldn't have wished for a better trip. If you want to book this tour, which I highly recommend, book with GetYourGuide. We'll leave the link in the description below. We always use them to book our tours worldwide. They offer all the tours that you can imagine at really good value. So don't forget to book that down below. Anyway, we're going to head back to the mainland now for a rum and coke.
And just like that, we teleported back to Coron. And we're going to have a few drinks for our last night with our new best friend.
Cheers to the best tour guide ever.
Here he is. Not you, it means someone else.
I'm telling you now, I'm really bad for
Guys, and again, this will be our last set tonight. So if you want to request a song, that's your time. You can write your request.
Look how much you're straining!
Push! Come on, my friend, push! Where's the Filipino power?
No, I told you.